Imagine this. A baby deer is born, and within 30 minutes, it's already standing on its feet. Within a few hours, it's walking beside its mother. Now, compare that to a human baby. It can't walk, it can't talk, it can't even hold its own head. It needs help to eat, help to move, help to survive. In fact, if no one takes care of a human baby, it simply won't live. So here's the question. Why are human babies born so helpless? Are we the weakest species on Earth, or is there something much deeper going on? Brain power. Part 1. The big brain problem. The answer starts with one thing: your brain. Humans have one of the largest brains compared to body size, and this brain is extremely powerful. But here's the problem. A baby's head needs to pass through the mother's birth canal during birth. If babies stayed inside the womb long enough for their brains to fully develop, their heads would become too big to come out safely, which means birth would be almost impossible. So nature made a compromise. Human babies are born early, before their brains are fully developed. In simple words, human babies are not fully finished at birth. They are still in the middle of development. Walking changed everything. But wait, why can other animals give birth to babies that can walk almost immediately? That's because humans evolved differently. We walk on two legs. This changed the shape of our hips and pelvis. Walking upright made our birth canal narrower. So now there are two big problems: a big baby brain and a narrow birth canal. To make birth possible, babies had to be born even earlier in development, which made them more dependent on care. So helplessness is actually the price we paid for walking upright. The secret advantage, Part 3. Now here's where it gets interesting. This helplessness is not a weakness. It's actually our biggest strength. Because human babies are born early, their brains are still flexible. They can learn from the environment. They can adapt. They can observe. They can pick up language, culture, skills, emotions, problem solving, all from the world around them.
Hello?
Animals are born ready to survive, but humans are born ready to learn.
I'm good, thanks.
And that learning ability is what allowed us to build cities, create technology, develop science, and even explore space. Built for connection. Part 4. There's another reason too. Human babies need care for years, and this forces bonding. Parents protect them, families support them, communities raise them. This created social connection, teamwork, communication, love. And over time, this turned humans into one of the most cooperative species on Earth. Our survival depends not just on strength, but on relationships. So next time you see a helpless baby, remember, that helplessness is not a flaw. It's the reason humans became the smartest species on the planet, because we weren't born ready to survive. We were born ready to learn. If you learned something new today, make sure to subscribe, and let's keep growing, one curious question at a time.